And we're back.
We just moved across from the Jeep and the square body. We got a 72 Chevy SS. It's a 454 car. Beautiful silver car.
It's your favorite model,
Black
ain't
vinyl top. Well, it's my preference model.
it? Okay.
But let me tell you, that's 68, same paint scheme next to it.
Yeah.
It's super sharp.
They got a little different stripe scheme on it.
Well,
was that standard? Did they do? Is that how they did
had
that?
a different stripe scheme.
Okay.
This might have been a vinyl top car out of the factory. May not have been. But man, what a beautiful car. Good presentation of a 68. I call that an L88 hood. If it's something different than that, somebody damn tell me. I don't know, but I believe that's what I call an L88 hood. 396 car. Another square body, sharp.
Yeah, good looking square body.
86, probably. Another square body.
Good looking truck.
An 84.
There's that little red Express.
Red Express. He's got that thing cleaned up a little bit.
Should be an 89 or 79.
79. 360.
Yep, I could have bought one from the factory. And I chose for another model. I'm not sure I made a mistake.
64 Impala SS.
That's a beautiful car.
You also, while we're talking about Impalas, we're fixing to do a little road trip with some friends of ours, and we'll have a new Impala to show you soon. Something you're gonna like. Look at this buggy.
Yeah, I know, that's pretty cool.
That's a concept.
We've got a buggy we got to put up here.
Look, it says concept.
Okay, it's a concept
Volkswagen.
buggy.
I said that's a concept, and that's what they got on there.
Wow.
Another little step side.
That's a clean old step side.
Got some pearly purple going on in that
You think it's a 65, 66?
65 or 6. It could be a 64. Nevertheless,
he's got a little bit of an engine put in it.
Yeah.
I bet it barks the tires.
Now this is a Honey.
Ooh, look at that.
Dual radio antennas, 65 Super Sport, 327, setting with rally wheels, black interior, white car, just sharp, man. That is sharp.
That is pretty.
That thing was sporty out of the factory.
It was. Man, that's pretty
Turn right around here next to my car, Greg, and catch this 68 Camaro, drop top. And we'll just scan up through here. There's an international truck next to it.
That's a pretty drop top.
It sure is.
Here we got an international.
International.
What's it? You got international motors?
That's a small block Chevy with some international
parts. Dressing.
Well, it's got international labels put on them valve covers. Cal custom valve covers.
Oh, I see what he did.
Little 396 custom 10 truck, dropped down a little bit. We got a 77 Camaro up there.
Yep.
Some new vets. Y'all love them vets. We get plenty of those.
We do.
We'll do another. Here's a silver vet. That's a beautiful car.
Folks love to show off the vets.
And they should. They're sharp.
They're nice cars.
That's a very pretty
American classic.
69 Z28 Rally Sport car.
That's a pretty car.
Highway headlights.
It's a pretty
small
car.
block. If it's a DZ car, it's a 302 small block. And if it is, he's really got something to be proud of.
Oh, yeah. Hard to come by.
69 Trans Am.
He's got a modern
motor in it. LSX supercharged.
Wow. I bet it barks a tire.
More the original 69.
Yeah, I like that. 455.
It's a Firebird. This is a Trans Am. That's Firebird.
We've lost a little of the originality on this
455.
one. Beautiful car.
Parchment interior. Sharp.
Beautiful. Almost ran into a post there.
Now here's a C10.
Good looking truck.
Everybody's hauling the little mini bikes with them today. That's kind of neat.
It's got
they called this red, but to me this was always an orange truck.
That's an orange to me.
They called that red of some flavor. It's more like a citrus orange to me. Got a V8 in it, of course. Non-air truck. 69, sharp. 65 or 6 Mustang Fastback.
Good looking.
Pretty car. 289, red line tires on factory wheels.
Yeah.
Sharp.
Beautiful.
Resale red, another vet.
Grandson Eli'd like to.
You don't see these much anymore because so many of them are off the road and gone. There's a super clean
Well, don't they
Bronco
use that frame for a lot of vehicles?
Well, they use the S10 frame for a lot of old vehicles. But I'm sure they can
Well,
incorporate this.
I think Roger, he had a. I said
Yeah.
he had one of these.
Yeah. This is a 2.9, but most of these are off the road. That's a 1990 because I had a brand new 89. And really the only thing they changed was how they spelled out the Bronco.
Really?
Yeah. Little Mitsubishi car.
Yeah.
Excuse us.
Little Mitsubishi.
Somebody got an S10. I think most of their time went in the motor.
No, it did. Yeah, this
Camper special. Got some Poppy's patina spread on
does.
it. Got the real patina showing through. It's
Yeah,
a
what
nice
year?
three-quarter ton 67 or 8. It's
Camper
a
special again.
1967
A lot of those out here.
352,
Well,
which the 360, 390 replaced.
yeah.
Let's call it the 390 because the 360 wasn't nothing to be proud of. 66 Chevelle, and that thing is super slick.
Oh my.
Super slick.
Got good wheels.
67 or 8 Mustang right next to it.
396. Oh, that's a pretty Mustang.
I'm thinking that's a 7, but let me double check. It's a 7, 1967.
Pretty car.
70 Monte Carlo.
You know where one of those
I know
sits?
where one's at. It's in my garage. Pretty car.
It is.
We got a little roadster here, a little 2-door coupe.
It's a pretty little car.
Pretty car. Pretty car. We got a nice sedan here, 4-door suicide doors, double suicide doors. This reminds me of the Waltons,
Yeah, it does.
or as we used to call them, the Walnuts. But hey, 1938 Chevy.
Pretty car.
Master Deluxe.
Pretty
Sharp
car.
car. Of course, what can you say about this?
I mean, it's this is
That's
classic.
That was some flavor of pink, I think they called that.
Yep.
Sharp car. All original looking. Air cleaner, interior, dash, wheels, fender
Beautiful
skirts.
car. Well done.
They don't have the fins inside, and that makes it a little different. And we'll go up the corner here. 66 Impala, 327. Pretty car. We got us a Challenger here.
6-pack.
Six-pack car.
340.
It's a 1970.
340.
Pretty
6-pack.
desirable car.
Yep.
Another really desirable car is this Barracuda next to it.
That is a desirable car.
These Mopars, folks, are something. This one here, I've saw this car before. That Blues Hockey rings a bell.
I'd say they're a fan.
Well, they are, but that's a package that
came out in St. Louis?
came out on this car. Yeah, and this car was probably St. Louis built.
I guarantee it.
Official car of the St. Louis Blues, owned by the McKinney family. Here it talks about it.
Yeah.
Oh, look, here we're in a magazine. Ultra rare, 1 of 8 big block St. Louis Blues Barracudas.
Holy cow.
1 of 8, folks.
That is rare.
And it's here today.
Big block.
It is here today. Great catch that thing from the back. It's got a luggage rack on it. That really pretty blue interior.
How do you feel about luggage racks, folks? Let us know out there in the
How do you feel
TV
about
land.
a 70 CUDA, 1 of 8?
1 of 8. This
1
is
of
a
8
one
ever
of
made
8.
with this paint scheme on it, packaged
Wow.
this way.
And this is an original car.
I don't know, we got a 68 Roadrunner.
Yep. Love those old Roadrunners.
Roadrunners are cool.
They are. They're hard to come by today.
Bench seat,
Yeah, just like my old one. Yours too, I'd imagine.
commando motor, super commando.
Not real familiar with how they termed that. I always
Well,
thought
commando
I had the
carried
Magnum.
less horsepower. You could get them in more of a family car, and this was a cheaper version. If you got a Magnum, you had a better engine, more performance.
Yeah.
Commando was okay. They ran,
Yeah.
but most guys that wanted performance wanted that orange Commando engine. We got us a Dart Swinger, about a 71 maybe. She's a 340. Now here's a great example of a Bandit Trans Am.
It is. It's
77, 78,
wow.
one of them years.
Yeah, look
Sharp,
at
got
that.
that red velour interior.
Red velour. That was a thing, folks. Velour.
Was a big thing.
It was a thing.
A big thing.
Beautiful car.
What year is this Formula? 89, sharp car. 89 Formula. So this is a Gen 3 car here.
Yeah. Looking good.
Mine's a Gen 1. They had this body style. Here's a Gen 2. You got a Gen 3 here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were down here yesterday.
Got that tune port.
Dodge Dakota. We'll stand here and just kind of scan these. Got an S10. Here's an RT Coronet.
Like that old RT.
Sharp.
Been in a few of them.
Sharp Mustang drop top blue. Pretty blue.
Well done.
Here we got us a 440 Dodge Brothers car. Sure is.
That's a beautiful car.
Plymouth Business Coupe, 1937 with a 440 in it.
Wow, I bet it scoots.
It's a hood full, ain't it great?
It is. Oh, wow. Look at that, folks.
That's crazy. Here we got us a little rumble seat, T-bucket. Front of that Mustang, that's sharp. Boy, look at that chrome. That's high
I mean, that's
end,
well
isn't it?
done.
Nice flame job on this old car here.
You got
nice
a beautiful little 289. Check
little
that
two-door
out.
coupe, 1940, I think. 1940.
All right, good call.
I like this matte black on this old car here.
Let me turn and see this old matte black. He's got
So
a little flake in it.
Not
looks
after
like.
shiny. He's
Yeah.
after that satin finish. Sharp car. 4-door, suicide back doors.
Oh, he's got a good looking little dash and interior in it.
Got the side hood,
Yeah.
hood openings like Rogers 39 did. This is a 37. W30 Cutlass 442 there. Now,
Yeah.
folks, that's a rare car.
Yeah,
They
it
just
is.
didn't make many of them.
No, they did not.
One other car they
Beautiful
made
car.
that was even more rare
Was
was
that
a
a 455?
W43 was a very rare option. 455 Olds.
Yeah. That
rocket motor.
Yeah.
Let's jump over here. Here's an IROC Z. We filmed weeks ago. It'll be coming up on a
Yeah.
future video. I'm gonna say this is mid 80s. Same color of the one we filmed, but it's not the one we filmed. Hey, there was a time the market was flooded with these cars,
It was, and I didn't.
and now they're
I
kind of
tell
hard
you
to
the truth,
find.
I wasn't real attracted to them when they were brand new. There were so many of them.
This IROC would have been a TunePort 350
Yeah.
when it came out. It's now an LS motor. Nothing wrong with that.
Look at
Sharp
this
car
little
there.
old rod.
Now, Greg, we went around this perimeter here. Let's shoot up the middle on the other side.
All right. Yeah, we've been here. Covering some ground.
Oh, my
First.
God, what is there? Several. Look over there along the building. We got an old 65, 66 Ford for sale. I
Yeah,
love
it's
those.
good.
63 Impala over there. There's a Z28, 79 or an 80.
Yeah.
A Grand Prix over on the end, dark green.
Yeah, it was a good looking car.
I love Grand Prix.
Yeah,
That was Pontiac's answer to the Monte Carlo.
it was.
They started building Grand Prix before Monte Carlo, so maybe it's the other way around. Maybe Monte Carlo was the answer to Pontiac's Grand Prix. After Hours Body Shop. Nice old truck.
Yeah.
Real pretty square body. Real pretty.
Real pretty. Nice paint.
Nice old pickup.
Really good old pickup.
I believe I want to say that's a Chevy, but
I would think it's a Chevy, but
I can't be certain. It's Chevy powered. I know that. If you know, tell us.
don't have the sticker.
They don't have the label up there, so I can't guess. I know
Can't
this.
verify it.
I know it's a Corvette. So we looked at a W30 442 a while ago.
Yeah.
It's a little newer 442, 71, I'm thinking,
Pretty car.
but not a W30
No.
package. 63 or 4 Ford coming up here.
Yeah.
Folks, patina's like a hot thing. People like that patina. That one pink 57 we saw didn't have those fins and those little stripes inside the
Yeah.
chrome there. Hey, here's a Gen 4 Trans Am, sharp.
What do we got? The next one?
72 or 71. It could be a 70. Let me see if I can find the,
Pretty car.
probably a
455.
70, I'm guessing.
Got a little bit of an engine in it.
455. HO.
Folks, that is full of engine.
I'm calling it a 70. I think this is a giveaway.
All right.
If I'm wrong, somebody tell me. '57 Nomad.
Good looking car.
Yeah.
You got a
Well, it's a station wagon. It's not technically a Nomad. 6-cylinder, 3 single-barrel carburetors on there.
put a little customization in it.
Neat old car, clean car.
Yes. Have we been up this middle row?
We have been all the way around, I think, with the exception, and we'll do the backside of these.
We did.
Again,
do
there's
that.
my car,
Yeah, this is Kurt's car.
parked
so
next
we're
to a
back.
68, the International truck.
Yeah.
We'll jump up here to these newer cars, Greg.
Over here looking at this 50, 1950. He's got the exhaust coming out of the side. I had to show him that exhaust, Kurt.
You're behind, brother. Nice old Galaxy drop top.
Cool little truck.
66 Galaxy 500. Probably a 390. Could be something bigger.
It could be. Got a drop top.
She's a
car.
390.
390.
390. Hey, and these old 70s Dodge trucks, they're getting popular, man.
Well, they are.
This is a D100 Dodge.
What year is this one?
73, 74, maybe. 75. I knew if I kept going up in the numbers, I'd get it right. So that's a sharp Mustang right there, 76. I think I called it a 77 down the line.
Which one we talking about?
This
Camaro?
brandy color Camaro.
Yeah.
He's showing off his trophies that he's won, and
Yeah,
it
he's got
should
a
win.
few.
It's a
Beautiful
nice
car.
car.
Nice
Folks, we've
body.
been through. I mean, we've looked at them. We looked at them fast because there's a lot of cars, and we're old. But
Tell them
man,
how to reach us out, Kurt.
Man, just get on YouTube, check out Heartland HotRods. Website, heartlandhotrods.com. If you're on there, you can go straight to our videos. Make sure you like those videos, comment on those videos. Most importantly, subscribe to those videos. If you know somebody's got a cool car, you think it's worthy of filming, reach out to us on the website. We'd love to talk to them. We're in Missouri. We'll go pretty good distance to check out cars. So
We're going to Kentucky. 2 days.
to pick up a car, a jewel. Hey, Heartland Hot Rods, heartlandhotrods.com. Georgia Fett 2025, Saint Genevieve, Missouri, historic Saint Genevieve. Appreciate you guys. We'll catch you next time.